the food. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's episode, we are going to teach ourselves a very delicious, fantabulous food, and you guys are going to do wow. Okay, it's Indomie that we are making today. Okay. So all you Indomie fans, witty. Let's start. So we have our pot, yes. We have our gas, and we have our ingredients. Okay. We have this mug, tap bomi. We have knife, tap salubosa. We have butter, tap mix it together. We have spices. We have our Indomie. We have our fork, and we have alubosa. There's no need to use pepper. No. So first of all, you open your gas. So you now use your lighter. There. Yeah. Put that one down. So your pot and your mug, you can tell people me. So you now go and fetch water. And it depends how you want your Indomie to swell up. Like me now, I want to belly full. And you can follow my procedure because you know that. So you now carry your water, take that in the pot. Place it very gently on the fire. You cover it, then you count 1 to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Then you open it. Your knife and the onions, alubosa, all wasanu, all sade, all sadati, all sarun, all wamu. We do like this. Wing. And what is that? You now put it inside it like this. So you take your spices. You can use your knife or use your teeth. It's good to use your teeth. So you now take your spices, off in pop. So because the spices is going to give you different color and different tasting. Then you put that one down. So you now take your butter.
You what?
You butter. So you now use your fork to remove butter. You now put it inside. It depends, for butter first. Only you now put it in, then you stir it together. So right now you are still going to cover it again. Then you now count 1, 2, 3, 3.5. Then you now open your water. Hope you can perceive it. Then your Indomie, you now squeeze it. All dirty. All ready. So now open your Indomie with teeth. Let's take the Indomie between. So sweet. So you will now be points like this. You will remove the spices that is inside the Indomie. So now you have to take your oil inside the Indomie. And you know love the Daniel scenery. So you now want to after that, your Indomie spices. You can use your hand to tear that one. Or what that you see, you remove the pepper, you pour it there. We are good to go. Curry and thyme should also be part of your ingredients. It's very important. Curry at the time, who are very important. See Indomie. So you now pour it. Take your time too. You pour it. So that one is like that. You now stir it together. Our Indomie is almost done. So we will now wait for another 5 seconds. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Our Indomie will have been done.
Jesus!
Tada! It's so so delicious. Looking at it like this, I know it's very delicious. So let's taste what we have been cooking since morning.
What?
So delicious.
Oh no, Baba.
So right now, we want to this our special Indomie. So you now take your about them, this it, put it down like this. Then you can now off your gas. So we now remove that one and pour the food.
Oh my days!
Katikati is very delicious. So as you can see, our special sweet Indomie noodles. So next class we are going to teach ourselves different things. So don't forget to like, subscribe, share and comment. I love you all. So sweet.